guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a special package that I ordered today. It's a thing that we don't actually, get on this channel, right? But let's just look at the box of this figure. Here we have the back of the box. And here's the side of the box. And here's the other side. Nothing really. And here's the bottom. And let's take a look at the Godzilla 2014 figure. I am a big fan of Godzilla, so that's why I ordered this maybe. Well, let's open the figure. Let's begin. Okay, let's first start up. Wait for a second. And Roman's got the box open. Let's get out the paper. Oh, yep. Here's the paper. Here's the front of the paper. You have the Godzilla 2014 right here, and there's some sort of sun right here. Don't know what that is. Let's get on with the figure. Oh no! Pieces are coming out. Okay, we got the figure. Here are all the pieces to the figure. The figure's nailed down. Which is good. Okay. This figure, you just have to be strapped up. Now my uncle helped me to open the strips out, but now let's look at the figure. Let's take out the newest 2014 figure. Stand him up. And stand up. And then let's get out the tail pieces. You don't need this anymore. And let's take a look at the figure. We see the 2014 figure has all his spikes and yeah. And it has a nice face. Look at the face of this guy. Well, let's just put on the tail. Okay. I actually don't know what to put on the tail. I think it's... Now we have assembled the Godzilla the NECA Godzilla 2014. I just discovered this is just a NECA figure. And this figure is quite good. So let's get on with the rotation. First we have a ball joint here. Ball joint at the head. And a nice little mouth. But the jaw comes out. But it can easily be fixed by just plopping it in. Like so. Beep. And its jaw's fixed. And also it has now let's get on with the hand. It has a nice rotation here. It's a ball joint. And yeah, you can make some good poses with this figure. It also has a ball joint here. And a ball joint here. And another ball joint. And another ball joint here. Ball joint. Ball joint. And let's put the arms back down. Let's fix him. This figure looks goofy now when I don't know what I did. But still, let's look at the rotation. Now we got the leg action here. We got a nice kick here. Nice knee. And you gotta turn out a foot. And you can just turn it back. And yes. This figure is not really that posable. It's halfly posable. You can just see its tail is humongous. There's a ball joint here, ball joint, and you got a segment, another segment. This figure has a lot of detail into it, and also the tail kind of shows a gap, but that's okay. It's not that good with the tail though. It just shows an empty gap, but it's okay. I still love the figure how it is, because look at all those sharp spines. And a doofed up face that actually doesn't look that bad. Look at that. Look at the face. Eee. And also, you can just, let's turn this next out. What are you doing? Hey, you. Let's make some funny poses with this guy. Not again. This figure keeps on breaking with the arms. But still, the figure looks decent too. Look at the long tail. Well, the figure is actually a good toy, I didn't expect this much movement around the toy and everything, But if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Bye! Yeah!